The Swamphen, an elegant enigma of wetland ecosystems. Among the myriad of creatures that inhabit the world's wetlands, the Swamphen stands out as an enigmatic and elegant bird. Often overshadowed by more flamboyant avian species, the Swamphen, also known as the purple swamphen or purple gallinule, possesses a unique charm and significance within its ecosystem. From its distinctive appearance to its role in wetland ecology, the Swamphen captivates both scientists and enthusiasts alike. Taxonomy and distribution. Belonging to the family Rallidae, the Swamphen is classified under the species Porphyrio. This species encompasses several subspecies distributed across various continents, including Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and some Pacific islands. Each subspecies exhibits slight variations in morphology and behavior, reflecting the adaptability of the Swamphen to diverse wetland habitats. Physical characteristics. The Swamphen's striking appearance is characterized by vibrant plumage and robust proportions. Its most distinctive feature is its intense purplish-blue plumage, particularly evident on its head, neck, and underparts. Complementing this rich hue are its crimson bill and frontal shield, which contrast vividly against the bird's deep blue feathers. Measuring around 45 to 50 centimeters in length, the Swamphen boasts a formidable stature, further accentuated by its long legs and toes adapted for traversing marshy terrain. Its relatively long toes enable the Swamphen to navigate through dense vegetation and across floating vegetation mats with ease, making it a proficient inhabitant of wetland environments. Behavior and ecology. Primarily a sedentary species, Swamphens tend to establish territories within their preferred wetland habitats, which encompass various freshwater and brackish ecosystems, such as marshes, swamps, and rice paddies. They exhibit both diurnal and nocturnal activity, foraging opportunistically throughout the day and night for a diverse array of food items. The Swamphen's omnivorous diet encompasses a wide range of plant matter, including aquatic vegetation, seeds, fruits, and roots. Additionally, it preys on small invertebrates, such as insects, snails, and crustaceans, supplementing its plant-based diet with vital protein and nutrients. Despite its relatively large size, the Swamphen is an agile and adept swimmer, often seen navigating through shallow waters in search of sustenance. Its proficiency in swimming is complemented by its ability to fly short distances, employing its broad wings for brief aerial maneuvers when necessary. Breeding and reproduction. During the breeding season, which typically occurs during the warmer months, Swamphens engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates and establish pair bonds. These displays often involve vocalizations, plumage displays, and ritualized behaviors designed to convey fitness and reproductive readiness. Nesting primarily occurs in dense vegetation near water bodies, where Swamphens construct platform-like nests using a combination of reeds, grasses, and other plant materials. The female typically lays a clutch of 5 to 10 eggs, which both parents incubate over a period of approximately 3 weeks. Upon hatching, the precocial chicks are cared for by both parents, who diligently feed and protect their offspring until they are capable of fending for themselves. This parental investment contributes to the survival and reproductive success of the Swamphen population, ensuring the continuity of the species within its wetland habitats. Conservation status and threats. While the Swamphen remains relatively abundant in many regions, certain populations face threats stemming from habitat loss, degradation, and human disturbance. Wetland drainage, agricultural expansion, urbanization, and pollution represent significant challenges to the long-term survival of Swamphens and other wetland-dependent species. Ongoing research and future perspectives. Despite considerable advancements in our understanding of Swamphen ecology and behavior, numerous questions remain unanswered, prompting ongoing research initiatives aimed at unraveling the intricacies of their biology and conservation needs. Key areas of focus include: 1. Population dynamics. Comprehensive studies on Swamphen population trends, demographics, and distribution patterns are essential for assessing their conservation status and implementing effective management strategies. 2. Habitat requirements. Investigating the specific habitat preferences and resource requirements of Swamphens can inform targeted conservation efforts, ensuring the provision of suitable nesting sites, foraging grounds, and refuge areas. 3. Movement ecology. Understanding swamphen movement patterns, migratory behavior, if applicable, and dispersal dynamics can elucidate connectivity between different wetland habitats and identify critical corridors for conservation prioritization. 4. Ecological interactions. Exploring the interactions between swamphens and other wetland species, including predators, competitors, and symbiotic associates, offers valuable insights into ecosystem functioning and resilience. 5. Climate change impacts. Assessing the vulnerability of swamphen populations to climate change-induced effects, such as habitat alteration, extreme weather events, and sea level rise, is crucial for developing adaptive management strategies to mitigate potential threats. By addressing these research priorities and fostering interdisciplinary collaborations, scientists can enhance our knowledge of swamphen biology and ecology, ultimately contributing to more informed conservation and management practices aimed at ensuring the long-term survival of these charismatic wetland birds.